I'm back. You doing?
Okay, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Been having a kind of crap day, but you're a bit salty over the Nether death. Is the first thing to make me genuinely laugh today, so thanks. Well, I've calmed down over it for now, Randy, but I'm glad that my anger has made you happier. It's like when somebody falls down the stairs and you laugh at them.
$10.
Let's go. All right, we need like we need to like.
I don't care.
Okay, no, don't go.
Oh, you... What?
I'm lighted and I just laughed so hard.
Far. What?
You're like, let's go. I don't care. And you just jump in and you die.
Is my stuff still there?
Call Lodratch and donated $1. I love you.
I didn't think it was that far.
Not
Not funny.
I'm gonna have to mute. I'm gonna have to mute.
It's not funny.
I can't.
Okay.
Breathe.
We are gathered here together. Wait, is that how it
That's
starts?
like a wedding thing.
Okay, never mind. Hold on.
We are gathered here together to
There's
pronounce
like an official thing.
one man and one
Stop!
wife.
I can't remember the thing. There's
Put
a
that
thing
away. What are you
that
doing,
you're
Brad?
supposed to say.
Brad, put the weapons away. What should I do?
Gay Carter Nice donated $1. Dream I have a crush on you and that won't change even when we find out how ugly you are.
Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so glad it won't change.
His mom is laughing. She messaged me and said, "Nice to meet you. Welcome to the family." What?
You're in, George!
It's
Congratulations!
It's so weird.
Yay!
Let's go, George! Woo!
This will be your last dollar from
This
me.
is great.
Also, can you follow me on Twitter on @ebrima5057592
Oh my goodness,
to get followers?
Thank
Also,
you.
good
It's
night.
nice to be a part of the family.
$10. Hello,
Wait, what?
Dream, this is George speaking. I just couldn't tell you. Personally, so I have to tell it to you like this, but in reality, I love
What do you just
Sap
PayPal
Nap
you?
and not you. Just when I think of this wonderful little cute fellow, my lovely sappy nappy, my sapidus napidus.
That's so stupid. Look out, George. Oh god, I'm gonna die. No! No! The dragon is here again! No! What? What? The dragon was targeting me!